Alright, hey, you've made it to the end. It's the final step. You're looking gorgeous. So the last thing I always do before I head out the house or on the go, sometimes in the car if you're running late at the light, that's a great way to make sure the lights stay green, is if you have to like do your lipstick or something. So for this very easy, simple, everyday glam look, I like to also pair this with kind of like a glossy lip. My favorite glossy lip right now has been the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This stuff is bomb, hence the name. Really simple, just adds a little color, a little shine. I'm so glad glosses are in again, I guess. I've missed them. The thing about glosses, you can be really fast and kind of messy with them. You don't have to worry about getting in the lines. You don't have to worry about like a red lip getting like everywhere. I can't do a red lip. I'm a disaster when it comes to red lips. And this one has such a great, I don't know what the flavor is, but it's awesome. I love this stuff. So flip your hair. You're good to go. That wasn't hard, was it? You can wear makeup and feel amazing any day, anytime. You're gorgeous just how you are, but if you wanted to add makeup, it's really not that intimidating. It's simple, it's fast, and it's fun. All right, love y'all. Bye.